Hi everybody, and thanks for watching. My name is Joel here at Body Works by Joel. Today I'd like to show you how to stretch the hamstrings in a seated position. So we're going to be using this chair. It has a nice sturdy back to it. All I'd like you to do is straighten one of your legs. Make sure that your heel is planted comfortably on the ground. Back is nice and straight, and you're going to lean forward. I'm going to keep both my hands on my legs just so I have some bit of support just in case. And I'll reach down a little further to get a deeper stretch. Now if I start to lose integrity and round my back, that's not always a bad thing. However, it's not necessary. All we need to do in a stretch is feel the stretch. We don't need to force it past the point of feeling the beginning. So once we get to the starting point of a stretch, a lot of my friends and clients have learned to go further than that. I've had to re-educate them and say, well, that might be a little too much. Be aware of your body and take your time. Obviously do these twice a day for 30 seconds. The opposite foot is going to be real simple. Place my heel down, sliding. I'm seated. You know, if I have any low back issues, I'm supported. If I need more support, you know, grab a chair, grab a ball, help that be a little more efficient for you. You know, make sure that you're rewarding yourself afterwards by drinking lots of water and giving yourself a hug because you did good. Feel free to give me a call if you have any questions at 480-381-5779 here at Body Works by Joel in Mesa, Arizona. I'll be waiting to hear from you. Have a good day.